Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 6th November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. Current affairs plays an important role in all competitive examinations, so try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. As per this was our previous day questions and we have to answer it first. Our first question was, in which state India's first miniature train launched? Maharashtra, Odisha, Kerala or option D, Bihar? The correct answer here is option C, Kerala. India's first of its kind, the solar energy driven miniature train was inaugurated at the Valley Tourist Village, Kerala by Chief Minister of the Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan. Pinarayi Vijayan launched this first miniature train in Kerala. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Our second question was, super cyclone Goni hits to which country? Sri Lanka, Philippines, Australia or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option B, Philippines. The super cyclone Goni, claimed as the world's strongest typhoon of 2020, has hit the south of the Philippines, main island of Luzon. Recently a super cyclone Goni hits the Philippines and the island name is Luzon. Okay, a strongest storm to hit the Philippines since 2013's Haiyan. In 2013, a strongest storm hit the Philippines, name it is Haiyan, but in 2020, very strongest storm name is Goni. I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of today's session is, when World Tsunami Awareness Day is observed? 2nd November, 3rd of November, 4 October or option D, 5 November? The answer here is 5 November. In every year on 5 November, World Tsunami Awareness Day is observed. Okay, the day is celebrated to spread awareness among the people across the world about tsunami and its dangerous effect. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has successfully test fired enhanced version of Pinaka rocket system? DRDO, MJ, Minister of Home Affairs, ISRO or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, Defense Research Development Organization. Recently, Defense Research Development Organization has successfully flight tested the enhanced version of Pinaka rocket system. Okay, it was test fired and from the Integrated Test Range (ITR). It is short form known as Integrated Test Range of Chandipur on the coast of Odisha. It is test fired from Odisha. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik and Professor Ganesh Lal is the Governor of Odisha. Remember, the Pinaka rocket system is test fired from Odisha. Okay. Next question. Alsane Ouattara win third term as president of which country? USA, Brazil, Ivory Coast or option D, Oman? The correct answer here is option C, Ivory Coast. Recently, Alsane Ouattara recently won the third term as the president of Ivory Coast. Okay, you can see here the image of Alsane Ouattara, the president of Ivory Coast. Okay, he is elected for 5 years. Term is 5 years. Okay, next question. Who has inaugurated Tourist Facilitation Center in Kerala? Prahlad Singh Patel, Narendra Modi, Hardeep Singh Puri or option D, Rajnath Singh? As per you see the image of Prahlad Singh Patel here, the correct answer here is option A, Prahlad Singh Patel. Recently, Union Minister of Tourism and Culture Prahlad Singh Patel virtually inaugurated the Tourist Facilitation Center in Kerala. It is launched in Kerala. Kerala is in news. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan and Arif Muhammad Khan is the Governor of Kerala. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has written Till We Win, a book on COVID-19? Randeep Guleria, Chandrakant Laharia, Gangdeep Kang. Option D, all of these. The correct answer here is all of these. Okay, a new book titled Till We Win by AIMS director Randeep Guleria and health system experts Chandrakant Laharia and vaccine researchers and virologist Gangdeep Kang. Gangdeep Kang is a virologist. Recently collaboratively written a book. Name of the book is Till We Win. Okay, remember these books also very much important in exam perspective view, because COVID-19 is in news and it is very much important in current affairs. Okay, question number 6. Who has become the new MD and CEO of ONGC Videsh Limited? SK Sharma, AK Gupta, K Agrawal, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, AK Gupta. Recently, AK Gupta became the new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of ONGC Videsh Limited. And the ONGC Videsh Limited, in short form, it is also known as OVL. ONGC Videsh Limited. You can see here the image of AK Gupta. The headquarters of the ONGC Limited is situated in New Delhi. New Delhi headquarters is situated, and it is founded in 1965. In 1965, ONGC Videsh Limited is founded. Okay, next question. Faraz Khan passed away. He was related to which field? Journalism, sports, acting, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is answer is Bollywood actor. So the correct answer here is option C, acting. Recently, Bollywood actor Faraz Khan passed away. He had acted in several popular films. Some of them are Mehndi in 1998, Farif in 1996. You can see here the image of Faraz Khan here, the famous actor of Bollywood, recently passed away. Okay, next question. Who has approved $132.8 million loan to improve power distribution in Meghalaya? World Bank, ADB, AIIB, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Asian Development Bank. Option B is correct here. Recently, Asian Development Bank has approved 132.8 million to Meghalaya to improve and upgrade the power distribution network in the state. Okay, Meghalaya is in news. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Konrad Sangma is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and recently Satyapal Malik take over the charge of Meghalaya. Satyapal Malik is the governor of Meghalaya. Okay, next question. Who has conferred with Honorary General of Nepal Army? Who has conferred? MM Narvane, Bipin Rawat, RKS Bhadoria, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Manoj Mukund Narvane. So option A is correct here. Okay, so option A is correct here. Recently, the Chief of Army Staff General MM Narvane was conferred the honorary rank of General of the Nepali Army by Vidya Devi Bhandari. Okay, you can see here the image of MM Narvane, the Chief of Army Staff, taking over the Honorary General of Nepal Army. Next question. Who has laid the foundation stone of Indo-Israel COE? Amit Shah, Sarbanand Sonowal, Narendra Modi, or option D, Prakash Javadekar. The correct answer here is the Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal. The Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbanand Sonowal, has laid the foundation stone of Indo-Israel Center of Excellence. The abbreviation of COE is, remember, it is Center of Excellence for the Vegetable Protected Cultivation at Khetri on the outskirts of Guwahati, in Khetri and Guwahati. Okay, Chief Minister of Assam is Sarbanand Sonowal. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. And those who regular follow Educational Wing and the first visit of Educational Wing, I request all of you to please try to answer in the comment section. Okay, our first question is, who is honored with Ekalavya Award by Karnataka government? Our second question is, in which city plastic lao mask le jao campaign started? Please try to answer more and more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. and those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates in educational wing. Thank you. Have a great day.